Okay guys, good morning. We are back with another video. I think it's a little different than the mulching, sprinkling ups, and hedging and all that kind of stuff. So today we got a rainy day. It's supposedly going to be raining all day, guys. And I'm here with my son, Junior, Ariel.
What's cooking?
What's cooking, guys? We are at our neighbor's garage because our garage is too small, and then we cannot fit the trucks inside because the trucks they are too tall or high or whatever. So it is our garage is too small. So well, we are here. We start putting the vinyl lettering to the truck of my son the other day, but it was cold and we got the night on us. So right now, like I said, we have a rainy day, so we are not doing nothing. I just cook for my family today, and we finished. Junior went to Russo to get some stuff that we need. I mean, he need like
fertilizer and
a battery.
A battery for one of the mowers.
The mowers. So now, like I said, we already started doing the letters for the truck of Junior's truck. So, but let me show you what we did the other day. So we did this. This is his website and the Instagram, so you can follow him in the Instagram, guys. And we put that the other day. You know, the tailgate. So let us know what you think, guys. And today we are doing this. We're gonna put Ochoa's Outdoor then Services LLC in the bottom of outdoors. And we're gonna put the phone number in here. He's debating if he is going to leave that phone number there, but we're gonna put it now. And if he doesn't like, he's going to remove it later on. Okay, guys. So stay tuned, and we're gonna put the camera on time lapse, guys. Okay. So see you soon. Keep watching, guys. Okay, guys, we just finished with this side. Hold on, let me help Junior, okay? Okay, guys, I just helped Junior to put those 5 fertilizer bags out of the truck bed. So you can see, guys, it's raining like crazy. The sky is coming down. So let me show you. We finished already with this side. You can see the phone number. See? See? In the back I already show you. We missed the little leaf right here. We're gonna put a leaf between the Ochoa. It goes right here, the leaf, a little leaf. So, but we're gonna do it later. That's not issue for us, okay? So because the metal is real cold, you know. Once you try to remove the plastic, I will say, or the the film, whatever you want to call, um, the adhesive stay in the vinyl letters. So you have to pass a rack. ¿Cómo se llama esa madre, amigo?
Right.
Yeah, rack with the glue off, just to remove the adhesive from the letters. So that's what Junior is doing. So because I mean you don't want to see it from way far, you know. But I mean we like to do a good job, even if it's for us. So you know. So yeah, you can see, guys. Mijo, a ver, déjame ver. Déjame le enseño la plebada. Get out of the way. So this side is done. The back side is done too. We're just gonna do like I told you guys, a little leaf over there. That's it. This side. Let us know what you think, guys. See? Ochoa's Outdoor Services LLC. Maybe you don't see the services LLC. There you go. Okay, guys. If you want to put something to your trucks, trailers, whatever, just contact us and let us know. We can help you guys. Okay. Now we want to do this side. This side will have more light than the other side. So, okay. Maybe it's gonna take us maybe like 30 minutes, I will say. So, okay, guys. Let's go back to the time lapse. Okay. Keep watching. Alright guys, we're back from the time lapse. We finished. We're just doing the final touches. I mean, take a look. Phone number, name. Same on this side. We forgot the little leaf right there, so we wanna do it another other day. So you can see, guys. You can see this, the back. Ve, mijo, déjame le show a los guys. See, guys. Okay. So now the sun start coming out, guys. It was raining like crazy. All right. Okay. Junior, ¿tienes algo que decirle a la plebada?
Más echarle ganas. Así seguir haciendo
Money. Puros Benjamines.
Yes, sir.
Puros Benjamins. Okay, guys. We wanna finish this video here. I hope you like. I will take a different video from the other stuff we do. So thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, like, comment, share. What else? Whatever else you wanna say, guys, just let us know. Por favor, suscríbanse si son nuevos en el canal. No se olviden de suscribir. Comenten, compartan, dejen un like, prendan la campanita y todo lo demás, guys. Okay? So, thank you and see you in the next one. Alright, hasta la vista, baby. Bye, mijo. Junior, ¿dónde estás? See you, guys. Goodbye. Ponte ahí para hacer el... Así, agárrala, así.